To use your own modem with Spectrum, it must be compatible with their network. As of September 2025, Spectrum primarily supports DOCSIS 3.1 and DOCSIS 4.0 modems. For most plans up to 1 gigabit, a DOCSIS 3.1 modem like the Aris SB8200 is sufficient. If you have a gigabit or ultra plan aiming for speeds up to 2 gigabit per second, you'll need a DOCSIS 4.0 modem such as the Netgear CM2000. Before purchasing any modem, use the compatibility checker on Spectrum's website to ensure it is approved for your specific plan and area. Using a non-compatible modem can lead to activation errors, connection failures, and voided warranties. Remember to check for IPv6 support and consider a gateway model with built-in Wi-Fi if you need it. You can either rent a compatible modem from Spectrum or purchase one from retailers like Best Buy or Amazon to avoid monthly rental fees. Once you have a compatible modem, connect it to a coaxial cable outlet and a power source. After plugging in and powering up the modem, connect a device like a computer or tablet to the modem either via Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Then, use the Spectrum app on iOS or Android, or navigate to Spectrum's website to activate your modem. You'll need your Spectrum account information and the modem's serial number, usually found on a sticker on the modem itself. The activation process pairs the modem with your account and should take under 10 minutes. The Spectrum app includes AI-assisted troubleshooting to guide you. If you encounter issues, reboot the modem, check for outages in your area on Spectrum's status page, or use the app's diagnostic tools. In rural areas, signal strength can sometimes cause problems. If needed, consult Spectrum's support for assistance. Remember that a modem provides internet access, and a separate router is needed for advanced Wi-Fi features like mesh networking.